Welcome! Today we're setting out to explore the top 10 travel destinations across the United Kingdom. From ancient stones to vibrant cities, let's discover the places that shape the UK's unique character. So grab your map, and let's begin. Our journey begins in London, a city where history and modernity collide. The Thames flows through its heart, connecting iconic landmarks like the Tower of London and the Shard. London's resilience is legendary, surviving plagues, fires, and wars, always reinventing itself. Its museums, like those in South Kensington, are treasure troves of human achievement. In markets like Camden and Brixton, you'll find a vibrant mix of cultures and languages. London's diversity is its strength, making it a city that belongs to the world. Here, the ceaseless energy of people and place reminds us that cities too are living ecosystems. Our journey continues, and next, we head north to the captivating city of Edinburgh. This is a city with a unique geological heritage, perched dramatically on the remnants of ancient volcanoes, a testament to the powerful forces that shaped this land. Arthur's Seat, the most famous of these volcanic relics, offers panoramic views. Edinburgh Castle, a formidable structure, dominates the skyline, a constant reminder of the city's rich and often turbulent past. It stands as a silent sentinel watching over the city. Within its ancient walls, Edinburgh Castle safeguards centuries of Scottish history, from royal intrigue to fierce battles. Every stone whispers tales of kings and queens, of sieges and triumphs. Venture down into the old town's winding alleys, a labyrinth of narrow streets and hidden courtyards, each with its own story to tell. These closes offer a glimpse into the city's medieval past. These historic alleyways sharply contrast with the elegant, planned streets of the new town, a masterpiece of Georgian architecture. The new town reflects a period of enlightenment and urban planning. Every summer the city bursts into life, transforming into a vibrant hub of artistic expression and cultural celebration. The energy is palpable, the atmosphere electric. This is thanks to the world's largest arts festival, the Edinburgh Festival Fringe. It draws performers and spectators from every corner of the globe. From the stirring sounds of bagpipes echoing on the Royal Mile, a quintessential Scottish experience, to the tranquil beauty of hidden gardens, Edinburgh's spirit is one of resilience, creativity, and a deep connection to its heritage. These green spaces offer a peaceful escape from the bustling city. Its layered history, from ancient volcanic origins to its role as a center of learning and culture and vibrant culture, make it a city that truly rewards exploration, inviting you to delve deeper into its many facets. Every visit reveals something new and unexpected. Edinburgh is a place where every corner tells a story, where the past is interwoven with the present, creating a unique and unforgettable atmosphere. So come, discover its secrets, one step at a time, and let the magic of Edinburgh captivate your senses. We now enter the Lake District, a landscape sculpted by glaciers and time. Its lakes, like Windermere and Wastewater, mirror the sky and mountains, creating scenes of breathtaking beauty. Climb the fells for sweeping views, or wander through villages like Grasmere, where stone cottages blend into the land. The Lake District inspired poets like Wordsworth and helped spark the conservation movement. Here, nature and culture exist in harmony, each shaping the other. The region's wild beauty is a sanctuary for both wildlife and the human spirit. In the Lake District, every view is a masterpiece. Let its tranquility inspire you. Our journey continues, taking us now to the enchanting city of Bath, a place where history whispers from every corner and the very ground beneath your feet is alive with stories. We're about to immerse ourselves in a destination unlike any other, a harmonious blend of ancient grandeur and contemporary charm. Bath is a city uniquely built upon natural hot springs. These geothermal waters, bubbling up from deep within the earth, have been the lifeblood of this city for millennia, drawing people to its soothing embrace. They are the reason Bath exists, the foundation upon which its rich history has been built. The Romans, recognizing the incredible value of these springs, created magnificent baths here, a testament to their engineering prowess and their appreciation for the finer things in life. These ancient bathing complexes were not just places for hygiene, but social hubs, centers of community, and showcases of Roman civilization. And their legacy endures not just in the preserved ruins of their baths, but also in the very fabric of the city. The ancient stones, carefully laid centuries ago, still stand as a proud reminder of Bath's Roman origins, a tangible link to a distant past. In the 18th century, Bath experienced a renaissance, a transformation orchestrated by visionary Georgian architects. They reshaped the city, imbuing it with a sense of elegance and sophistication that continues to define its character today. These master builders gave Bath its iconic crescents and elegant streets, architectural masterpieces that curve gracefully across the landscape, creating a visual symphony of stone and light. These designs were not just about aesthetics, they were about creating a harmonious living environment. The Royal Crescent, perhaps the most famous of these creations, stands as a timeless symbol of refined taste and urban beauty. Its sweeping facade and perfectly proportioned design evoke a sense of grandeur and sophistication, a testament to the enduring power of architectural vision. Today, Bath's tranquil atmosphere invites exploration, beckoning visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and immerse themselves in its unique charm. The city exudes a sense of calm and serenity, a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Discover the city on foot through its graceful streets, allowing yourself to be led by the gentle rhythm of its pathways. Wander along the cobblestone lanes, admire the honey-colored buildings, and soak in the atmosphere of this remarkable place. Or indulge in the soothing waters of the Thermae Bath Spa, where you can experience the ancient tradition of bathing in these healing springs. Let the warm waters envelop you, easing your muscles and calming your mind as you connect with centuries of history. Bath is a city where history and relaxation go hand in hand, where the echoes of the past resonate in the present, creating a truly unforgettable experience. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins, admire architectural masterpieces, and rejuvenate your body and soul. Experience the timeless allure of water and stone, the fundamental elements that have shaped this remarkable city. From the flowing waters of the River Avon to the sturdy stones of its Georgian buildings, Bath is a testament to the enduring power of nature and human ingenuity. Discover why Bath has captivated visitors for centuries, drawing them in with its unique blend of history, beauty, and tranquility. Come and experience the magic of Bath for yourself, and create memories that will last a lifetime. We travel to York, a city where history is alive in every stone. Encircled by medieval walls, York's streets reveal layers of Roman, Viking, and medieval heritage. York Minster, with its soaring stained glass, is a masterpiece of faith and craftsmanship. The Shambles, with its leaning timber houses, feels like a step into a storybook. Explore the city's snickleways, hidden alleys full of secrets and surprises. York's past is rich with tales, from Viking sagas to ghost stories. In York, history isn't just remembered, it's lived. Every corner invites you to uncover a new chapter. Our journey now takes us north to the majestic Scottish Highlands, a realm steeped in history, legend, and breathtaking natural beauty. This is a land of wild, untamed beauty, where ancient mountains rise dramatically from the earth, their peaks often shrouded in mist. These are not just mountains. They are silent witnesses to centuries of human endeavor and the relentless forces of nature. The Highlands' ever-changing weather is part of its allure. One moment the sun might be shining, casting a golden glow across the landscape. The next, a swirling mist descends, transforming the familiar into something mysterious and ethereal. These dramatic landscapes inspire awe and a sense of adventure in all who venture here. The sheer scale of the valleys, the ruggedness of the terrain, it all combines to create an unforgettable experience. And then there's Loch Ness. Its mysterious depths are legendary, home to tales that have captivated imaginations for generations. What secrets lie beneath its dark, still surface? But beyond the legends, the region's true magic lies in its raw, untamed nature. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the modern world and reconnect with the primal forces that shaped our planet. Red deer roam freely across the hills, majestic creatures perfectly adapted to this challenging environment. They are a symbol of the Highlands' enduring spirit. And golden eagles soar effortlessly above the glens and lochs, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. These magnificent birds are a reminder of the wildness that still thrives here. For adventurers seeking an escape, the Highlands offer endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Every trail leads to a new vista, a new challenge, a new perspective. Endless trails for hiking, challenging climbs, and the profound solitude that comes from being surrounded by such immense natural beauty. It's a place to find yourself, to test your limits, and to reconnect with your inner spirit. From Glencoe's haunting beauty, a place steeped in history and tragedy, its dramatic landscape a constant reminder of the past, to Ben Nevis's towering peak, the highest point in the British Isles, a challenge for even the most experienced climbers, offering unparalleled views for those who reach its summit. This is Scotland at its most untamed, a place where nature reigns supreme and the spirit of adventure burns bright. The Highlands are more than just a location. They are a journey into the wild heart of the UK, a place that will stay with you long after you've left. So embrace the majesty and the enduring myth of this remarkable land, and allow yourself to be swept away by its timeless beauty. Oxford awaits, a city of learning, tradition, and timeless beauty. Its skyline of spires and domes has inspired scholars for centuries. The university's colleges, each with unique character, are sanctuaries of knowledge and history. Literary legends like Tolkien and Lewis found inspiration here, and the Bodleian Library is a temple of books. Wander the covered market or explore the Ashmolean Museum for a taste of Oxford's vibrant culture. Oxford rewards slow exploration, revealing hidden gardens and quiet corners. More than a university, Oxford is a living monument to curiosity. Let its spirit of discovery guide you. Next, we visit Cambridge, Oxford's academic rival, defined by the gentle River Cam. Punting along the river offers stunning views of college gardens and iconic architecture like King's College Chapel. Cambridge's colleges are steeped in history, and the city's scientific legacy includes Newton, Darwin, and Hawking. The Wren Library at Trinity College holds treasures from the greatest minds. Cambridge's relaxed charm and green spaces make it a delight to explore. Here, the interplay of river and stone creates a unique harmony. Cambridge is a haven for contemplation and discovery. We journey to Cornwall, where land meets sea in dramatic fashion. Rugged cliffs, hidden coves, and sandy beaches define this wild peninsula. The Southwest Coast Path offers breathtaking views, while fishing villages like Mousehole preserve a timeless way of life. Cornwall's mining heritage and Arthurian legends add layers of history and myth. Inland moorlands and ancient stone circles evoke a sense of mystery. Cornwall is a place of elemental beauty and enduring folklore. Experience the magic at Britain's edge. Our final stop is Belfast, a city transformed from conflict to creativity. The Titanic Quarter celebrates Belfast's shipbuilding legacy, while political murals tell stories of resilience and hope. The Cathedral Quarter buzzes with music, art, and community spirit. Just outside the city, the Giant's Causeway's basalt columns create a landscape of legend. Belfast's journey is one of renewal and pride. Here, history and hope walk side by side. Belfast is a testament to the power of transformation. Our journey through the UK ends here, but the adventure is yours to continue. Share your favorite destination in the comments, subscribe for more explorations, and until next time, stay curious.